How can I be the right man for you? Well, it took me 4.5 years to answer that question. Lumuhod na ako sa Quiapo, nagnovena sa St. Jude, nag-alay ng itlog kay Santa Clara, nagtulos ng kandila sa Manawag. It took me quite some time to answer it. Then I came to a realization. The answer to my prayer. He just said, just invest in 2 things, love and respect. When these 2 things are present, things will never go wrong.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
And here we are. We've come this far. Falling in love with you is one of the best things that's ever happened to me. Whether we're laughing, enjoying each other's company, or spending quiet moments with each other.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart.
Kahit iniiyakan ka kanina pa ni Dr. Laurent, takanta ka nga kami, bakit si Laurent ang mas umiiyak kaysa iyo, Ani? Takanta lang kami. Misteryo sa akin yon. Kaya Laurent and Annie, put God first in your relationship.
I'll be a loving wife and a mother to our future children. And with God in between us, I know our marriage is protected. I love you so much.
I will love you forever and ever. This day will only last for only 1 day, but our marriage will last a lifetime. This day may not be perfect, but we have a lifetime to make a perfect marriage. Love you, Annie.
Hon, you are my answered prayer.